I'm taking a minute to talk about customer service, especially when it comes to online stores and receiving items that you've ordered from far away. Usually, I hear stories about poor customer service, things being lost, things being stolen, being treated poorly by a manufacturer or supplier or online store or something like that. But in this case, I'm going to change all that and talk about good customer service. You see, the other week, I had ordered a product that is specifically designed to clean the sensors of my camera. In this case, this one. And as you know, cameras are pretty expensive. They're definitely not cheap in some cases. And it pays to keep them clean. If they're not clean, then you have to deal with issues when you're working with the images in the computer, and that adds more time, and it's a real pain in the butt. Anyway, to keep them clean, you need a special tool. And in this case, it is a tool like this. Basically, it's a little, it's a swab. It's a tough piece of material that is flexible, that's absorbent, and is used with a pair, usually a pair of cleaners, cleaning solutions. This is one here, and there's another one that comes with this package here. So in this case, with Visible Dust, which is the company, the package comes with 2 vials of cleaning solutions. As you can see, this is made in Canada. Specifically, it's made in Alberta, and that's where I ordered it from. I didn't bother going through a store or an online retailer. I ordered it directly from the manufacturer. I wasn't sure that I could do that until I did a Google search and found out that yes, indeed, they do sell directly to the consumer. So I did that, and I know I saved a lot of money by doing that. For example, when I was looking at this product locally here in town, the bottles, this little bottle here, was approximately $50. Yep, that is outrageous. And the wands were another $50. Yep, that's outrageous. I totally agree. So I said, screw this, I'm not doing that. I'm looking for the manufacturer, I'm looking for a better price, and I certainly got one. And I ordered it. So it came in the mail in this package right here. Visible Dust, Canmore, Alberta. And lo and behold, the green vial was cracked, and all the liquid, all the cleaning solution had drained out and soaked the sheet that came with it. So this was totally useless, totally empty. I immediately wrote to the company and a pleasant email. I was a bit upset, but still, I was very polite, and I explained the situation. They sent me an email back within an hour, and within 8 days, they sent me another package. This one, completely free of charge. So, what do I like about this situation? They solved the problem without consulting with me. I explained my situation quite clearly, and they solved it. They didn't argue with me. They didn't claim that I was lying or trying to rip them off. They didn't say I had to pay extra for shipping or for the product. They sent me another of the same product, and as you can see, this one is perfectly good, totally usable, and I have used this on my camera and cleaned my sensor, and it works fantastic. So I can totally vouch for the product and for the company. These guys are stand-up people. Well, guys and gals, I'm assuming, and they do a fantastic job of dealing with their clients. The only fault I would give them is the packaging is ridiculous. It's bubble wrap, it's cheap, and that is exactly why that vial, the green one, was broken. I was totally surprised when they sent me the next package, exactly the same, no beefier, no cardboard slipped in there or anything like that to prevent this from being broken. So I'm kind of surprised. I hope they're going to beef that up in the future. But as things go right now, I will vouch for this company as being a stand-up Canadian company, and they provide a quality product. So when you're looking to buy sensor cleaning equipment, lens cleaning equipment, and other stuff that they do sell and manufacture on their website, I would not hesitate to go to visibledust.com. Or perhaps it's .ca, I can't remember. Anyway, Visible Dust, made in Alberta, good stand-up people. Go and buy their stuff. That's it.